Marjorie, darling, darling, I'm on my way. Get ready, here I come.
Hi, Style Savvy viewers, Marjorie back again with another holiday tradition that I would like to share with you. These shoeboxes are collected by a charity, Samaritan's Purse, and I will have Miss A post all the information if you want to go online and check it out yourself. But what we do every year is all the children fill these shoe boxes with items that are basic needs and also just things that maybe surprises that children in other countries who are less fortunate wouldn't necessarily get. And I'm going to pack a box for you so you can see, but I always like to use a plastic shoe box because I've been told that it can be used to kind of store food in somebody's dwelling or just, have as an extra container. Another thing I like to put in it is a bandana. And just because I think these are just so useful for so many things. And so that's kind of the lining for it. We put like a bar of soap, a nice pair of socks. Obviously you would want all your items to be new, and certainly all the rules for everything that can be put in the box are on the website. A child size t-shirt, but I think that, a medium or a large child size, or even a small or medium adult size, so that somebody could grow into it. These utensils that are reusable and washable, and it has its own case. Brand new toothbrushes are always helpful. Some toothpaste, a notebook or a journal is another good thing. Pens and pencils, crayons, a couple of little games, balls, jump ropes, I believe. And again, just check the website for all the things that are allowed. And then a brand new stuffed animal, because this is something that is really special, and it's something that children in other parts of the world or who are less fortunate just maybe don't get. And so then we just wrap them all up. And again, all the labeling and everything for these boxes will be on the website. While churches and schools often do this, you can also go online and do this yourself. And I think that there are even all the supplies available at places like Hobby Lobby. You can actually buy the boxes there. This one I just happen to have, but I hope it's something that you guys all start your own tradition of giving back to those in need. It doesn't have to be this charity, obviously, it could be anyone that you choose, but I think it's a great holiday tradition because really the gift of love is in giving, not in receiving. So happy holidays, everyone.
Men, 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 men. Oh, yes, I do think about them. And let me just say, they're probably the most difficult species to buy for the holidays or any other time.
Yes.
Because you want to surprise them and make them happy. So voila, what do you see here? A sausage tree for the holidays.
That is so unbelievable. I've
Yes.
never in my life. I love it.
Amazing. And what's so wonderful about it, our Italian family makes their own suppasata.
Yes.
And so they make their own sausage and they dry it in a dry cellar all through the spring and summer, and it's ready for Christmas to serve. I thought my husband was going to trade me in for this tree. We were so excited about it. So I would say this is a great gift. The only other thing that might be better than this is a bacon tree.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so anyway, that's a great men's gift. So put that on your list.
Not the vegan.
Yeah, not the vegan. Now, here's a non-vegan gift. My husband is just one of those gentlemen that likes to have a cigar after a good meal. So I went to the cigar bar that he goes to, and I talked to the owner, and she said, pick out whatever boxes you want. So Fritz and I happen to have a picture frame that size. This way you'll see the gold trim here. And we put a piece of wood on the back of it. And we lined up all the cigar boxes the way we wanted it first, took a picture of it, took all the boxes off, and then hot glued with his screwdriver, screwed in
each box
so it wouldn't fall off the frame because it's so
heavy.
they
actually still open.
When you open some of them, they have surprises in them.
Oh, how cool. What a great gift.
Yeah, because it's outside. Some of them have the fan clicker in there. Yes. And different things that get lost.
Yes.
Suntan lotion.
Oh, sure.
So they're filled with lots of different surprises when you open the boxes.
That's perfect.
And then when he wasn't here, Fritz and I put it up. And then did the reveal to him and said,
oh, I love
it was
that.
a gift from Fritz and I to say, Merry Christmas. We love you, Russell.
So I make jewelry. That is sort of my hobby slash side hustle at the moment. I have done this for many, many years, and I like to do personalized
See, I
necklaces
love that you do that.
for each of my family members or friends that I'm giving to. And they're on a removable carabiner type clasp.
Oh, that's so
Oh,
smart.
And so you can use the necklace by itself, or you can add the charms, and you can
Oh my
add
God, I
these,
love
or you can
that.
add them for, your own, and you can
Yes.
mix them up, and it's like you're styling your own necklace or
Personal
designing
styling your own necklace.
Exactly.
And if it's more formal or whatever, you'd always turn it around and have the charms down the back of your neck.
That's right.
So you
Or
look
take
good-
the charms off.
Right.
Because
Look good coming, going, and sideways.
Oh, I love it. Or if they don't wear necklaces, I sometimes do
That's
earrings.
so pretty.
And I like to do them for each person. And then
Yes.
furthermore, just thinking about each person individually, it could just even be as small as even a gift card. Gift cards are great for teenagers
Ugh.
because who knows what to buy them. They
Right.
have such specific styles.
Or people that have everything. Could you think quickly, all three of us, what would be a great gift you'd like to receive this year?
I've been watching a lot of cooking shows lately, and my interest in cooking has been re-inspired.
Oh,
So maybe a
wow.
Marshall's gift card would be
Okay.
amazing
So then you
for
can buy
me.
exactly what you want.
Yes, and then
Okay.
also, some of the other dishes and cookware.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you, Miss A? What were you thinking about that you'd love to receive?
Books.
Okay.
So she needs a Barnes and Noble.
I need a Barnes and Noble
gift card.
Yes,
Yes.
Books a Million.
for sure.
Oh,
Books a
any
Million gift
bookstore.
card.
Okay.
Even
Half price
Amazon.
books. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
And mine's just a telephone call away. I would like the flowers delivered by the month.
What a
Ooh.
And
great idea.
what's so cool now is you can buy packages of 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, depending on your budget of food. You're giving
Yes.
you could tell my secret Santa that.
Mhm.
Because certain flowers grow better in different seasons of the month. You get a bouquet of that.
Right.
So that's what I would like.
Did you know that at vinologyhouston.com you can also join the wine club of the month?
See? No, we did not. So let's put a link of that on there. Listen to us. We know what we're talking about. So follow our directions. You'll make your Christmas giving easier and make the person so satisfied. Here's a perfect gift to give everybody as well.
Oh yes, back to the cash.
Back to the cash. Make it rain, baby. Make it rain.
Money doesn't grow on trees.
Ah,
Or does it?
Oh, it doesn't.
Mm.
So in this case, I found these Christmas trees at a garage sale. So the reason why they were so cheap is because they were all flattened. So the funny thing is, all we had to do, we just have to unfold
Fluff them,
fluff
yes.
them, fluff them, and unfold them. So my sister Marianne has the patience for that. These are for 3 different children, and each one of them has their own personality. So we try to make it to that person's personality. We got $51 bills. Best to order them in advance from the bank so they're really crisp. So here's Marianne. So she used the red wire.
Oh, the
Put a
pipe cleaner.
Cleaners,
Ta-da!
okay.
Yes. I used that as the center of it. And then she went through and fanned them out. The fangirl, she's a fangirl. But then she changed to another element of how she did it.
Oh, look at
So
that.
these candy canes are all made out of money.
How
and they're
cute.
wrapped with the pipe cleaners.
Yes.
So every ornament is really money. And then we just took satin ribbon to use it for a little bit of an extra texture. Those are $50 each trees to be made. And they both went to a special needs child and to his brother so he wouldn't feel jealous about it.
Oh, that's sweet.
And then the fun teenager
Mm-hmm.
that you're never sure what to get. And she's not fussy. She doesn't like she just wants the money, honey.
Yes.
So we just tied the money to her because she's related to us. She was able to get a little bit more money. But that was her tree, and she was just delighted about it. She spent the next 10 minutes ripping all the money off of it. She goes, "Here, take the tree back."
I'm
But-
literally adding this to my Christmas list right now
Are you?
for
Oh,
my kids.
yes.
Yeah, it's just so
It's
much
such a
fun. You
great
can make them
idea.
over here and they won't see it.
That's right.
We could have a Christmas tree money making afternoon, invite people. We could all do it together and have your hot chocolate
You betcha.
and have a good time doing it.